So here's a look at the current temperature in San Antonio, 91 degrees, but with this humidity feels like 94 degrees with the winds coming in from the southwest at 6 miles per hour. Temperature wise, lower 90s, seeing some upper 80s down towards the south in Pleasanton as well. And with this humidity, it's quite muggy, muggier than this past weekend. We had dry air that moved in over the weekend. That was a saving grace because we had some of the warmest temperatures so far over the weekend. So we'll have an extremely hot day. Feels like temperatures in the mid 90s, already feeling like the triple digits in Seguin and Gonzales. 103 feels like in Carrizo Springs and 101 in Eagle Pass as well. So the forecast shows afternoon highs reaching 102 degrees by 4 to 5 o'clock. And with the humidity, max heat index values in San Antonio should be right around 104 degrees. Now, today and tomorrow will be our last triple digit days so far this week. And then for Friday, with the ridge of high pressure moving farther and farther towards the west, our afternoon high should dip to the upper 90s, which will actually feel like a relief with this extreme heat. It's still going to be warmer than average, but way better than the temperatures we've been experiencing for the past couple of weeks. Now, our heat advisory for San Antonio, Atascosa County, the I-35 corridor, and the counties east of I-35 should end by later tonight by 7 p.m. Now, this heat advisory has been in effect since last Thursday, so it's almost been a full week where we've been in a heat advisory. But we'll still have a weather impact alert throughout the evening until 7 p.m. with highs near 103 degrees. So the need to stay hydrated. Please stay in shades and also use your AC with maximum efficiency. So the radar shows nothing, mostly clear skies, but we should see rain chances return tomorrow because this high pressure system causing this extreme heat will begin to slide farther and farther west, closer to Arizona, and that will allow disturbances to move through the area. So we could actually see some rain for the northern hill country. I do believe this rain will dissipate before it reaches the San Antonio metro and also counties such as Comal County and Guadalupe County. But the real rainfall will begin tomorrow morning. So by 8 to 9 o'clock, this disturbance will move through the area, providing scattered showers. Could see moderate rainfall and some lightning, but we'll see some potential isolated to scattered storms by tomorrow afternoon and evening. Some of these storms could produce some gusty winds over 40 miles per hour, and also some isolated downpours as well. Not everyone will see rain, but some spots will see some very heavy rainfall. And then by Friday morning, we could see some residual isolated showers throughout the morning, but much of the activity should subside by the afternoon. So to recap our rain chances, we have a 40% chance of rain tomorrow and a 20% chance of some residual rainfall Friday morning. And then by this weekend, we should be bone dry. Then we'll see 10% chances of rain return for next work week, so next Monday and Tuesday. So the 7-day forecast shows one last day of extreme heat, 102 degrees, heat index values around 104. We have a weather impact alert throughout the rest of the day. Actually, it should end by 7 p.m. That's the end of that heat advisory. And then we'll have another weather impact alert for tomorrow afternoon and evening because of scattered showers and storms. Triple-digit temperatures expected tomorrow, and then highs going down to the upper 90s for the end of this week. And for next week, we'll have a 10% chance of rain for next Monday and also for next Tuesday as well.